Ever wondered how a city can spring from the sands to become a global hub in just a few decades? Welcome to Dubai, a city of superlatives that never ceases to amaze. Dubai, a city in the United Arab Emirates, has witnessed an explosive growth in the last 50 years. From a small fishing village in the early 20th century, it has transformed into a world-class metropolis, boasting a skyline that rivals those of New York and Hong Kong. Did you know? The Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, graces Dubai's skyline. Standing at a staggering height of over 828 meters, it's almost 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Now that's a sight to behold. But Dubai's architectural marvels don't stop at the Burj Khalifa. The city is also home to the world's largest indoor theme park, IMG Worlds of Adventure, and the world's largest artificial islands, the Palm Islands. Yet, Dubai's grandeur extends beyond its physical structures. The city is a melting pot of over 200 nationalities, making it one of the most cosmopolitan cities in the world. This cultural diversity is reflected in its food scene, where you can savor everything from traditional Emirati cuisine to dishes from nearly every corner of the globe. Dubai's transformation hasn't been at the expense of its heritage. The city beautifully balances its rapid modernization with a deep reverence for its past. The Dubai Museum, housed in the oldest existing building in the city, offers a fascinating glimpse into Dubai's history and traditional way of life. The city's commitment to sustainability is another remarkable feature. Dubai plans to have the smallest carbon footprint in the world by 2050. The city is investing heavily in renewable energy sources and aims to generate 75% of its energy from clean sources by 2050. As a city of superlatives, Dubai is also home to the world's largest mall, the Dubai Mall, with a total internal floor area of 5.9 million square feet. And if that's not enough, it also houses the world's largest dancing fountain. So what makes Dubai truly incredible? Is it the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world? Or perhaps it's the Palm Islands, the world's largest artificial islands? Maybe it's the cultural diversity or the city's commitment to sustainability. In truth, it's all of these and more. Dubai is a city that defies the odds, a city that dreams big and achieves even bigger. It's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity, a city that has transformed itself from a desert outpost to a global metropolis. Dubai, a city of superlatives, where the extraordinary becomes the norm and where the future is already here.